day 2 we're gonna go from Cherating to natural Batik Village, and after that we're gonna go to Temerloh for ikan patin tempoyak. Morning guys, this is day 2 of our trip. Hi Arif. Okay, kakak. And this is our breakfast for today. During COVID-19, they are serving us with tapau food. And this is our food for our room. And just to let you know, this is how they serve it. They will send it from room to room. Okay, let's start day 2, Afika. On the second day, we didn't waste our time. We straight away go out to the beach. I think it's around 7:50 AM or 8 AM in the morning. So there is no crowd in the beach, but we decide we just spend a little bit more time on the beach, and after that we spend most of our morning in the Royal Cherating Villa, whereby they have an infinity pool. I think it's a nice touch by Royal Cherating to have the infinity pool. Look guys, we are now having ice cream. So this is beach volleyball field, and Arif wanted to shower a little bit. Swimming pool in Royal Chulan Villa. So we have an infinity pool. We have a jacuzzi over the right hand side. And this is the place where we have the breakfast. So there's another kids pool over here. Breakfast will be somewhere around this side. Okay. We are going to check out, and after this we are heading to some other place in Kemaman and Cherating, Kuantan. Alright. Natural Batik Village is nearby Kuantan. It's about 30 minutes away from Cherating. I recommend everyone to go to this place because it has batik chanting for kids. And after you do the batik chanting, we can either bring it back right away, or they can post it, they can courier it to our house. That's nice. Okay, we are now at Natural Village Batik. As you can see, the parking is huge. So if you have a big group, it will not be a problem. So this is the chanting material, made it in a giant size. We are now at Natural Batik Village. Recommend to take the 14 times 14, 10 ringgit. The class is starting, so there's a lot of people. We're also gonna take batik cantik class. 10 ringgit per kid. Highly recommend. place is full enough, and we have other stores as well over here. Apa the craft tangan for Pahang. Thanks to Nur Afiq Zainal for the opportunity to have this batik chanting, and our kids love it. It's easy to learn, and it's very nice as well to see the artwork becoming to life. There's a lot of people coming to this place when we arrive, and it's nice to see how the process works, and everything feel very simple. The kids love it. So for the class, we get the batik that already chanting. We get the watercolor and brush, and the instructor will make us soon. Donut and Cookie is busy doing their batik chanting. It's nice to see that they still have some artistic touch in themselves. Once everything is ready, it's done, then we will be able to have a chance to try it ourselves. So this is how it works. So kita boleh buat batik natural Batik Village ni, baju, buat sarung for anything. This one is very nice. So kita boleh buat bag, baju RM29, RM39. Kalau batik DIY, this one lah. Okay, so beside batik, we also have mask made from wood material. It's quite nice for you who like any exotic. And they have seashell again, batik in a postcard form, RM1.50, and selangor filter as well for batik motif. If you want to see how big is the shop, it's quite large, at least 20 foot times 100 foot. So that is how long is the shop. We have kain batik, handmade batik in t-shirt format, Malaysia format, and a lot more batik but representative by Malaysian icon building like KLCC. Now we are heading for our second destination of the day. We are going to enjoy our Patin Tempoyak. We heard that this place really have a very nice touch of Patin, and if you Google it, everyone love it. So we have a try. Luckily, they also have a branch in Danau Kota, Kuala Lumpur. So it's easy for us to grab Patin Tempoyak anytime in Kuala Lumpur next time. From natural Batik Village, it's about 1 hour 30 minutes. Kita nak pergi lunch. Okay, last pit stop daripada Cherating. Kita pergi terkenal Ikan patin famous ke sini ni. Alright. Wow, tu memang benda tu. Okay. Alright. Just beware guys, the place close at 5 PM, so make sure you come early. We come at 3 PM and the place is still packed with people. Nampak tu. Habis. Licin. Okay. Nanti kita boleh datang lagi lah. Boleh bayar pakai QRP ataupun e-wallet. Okay.